Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about the Chiliz urgent latest update, friends. What's the current price of Chiliz? What's the price changes occur in the Chiliz? In this video I will show you, friends, so keep watch this video to the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That's why I'm asking you to click this subscribe button, friends. Now friends, let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Chiliz. As you can see here, at this time price of the Chiliz is about 0.514021 USD dollar is the at this time price of the Chiliz in the market, friends. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chiliz, so absolutely it's a good news for all of Chiliz holders. As you can see, at the last 1 hour, the last 1 day price change as positive, friends, and only the last 1 week the last 70 price change as negative, friends. That's mean that the yesterday the Chiliz coin again take a jumping, the jumping period of the Chiliz again start now, friends. So enjoy, friends. And let's see the price chart of the Chiliz. As you can see here, absolutely, as you can see here, this time the jumping occur in the Chiliz in the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here at this time, friends, I hope that this jump is a continuous jump of the Chiliz coin and they go straight. So it's a good news for all of Chiliz holder that the Chiliz again take a jump from the previous last 1 day, friends. As you can see here, this time also jump occur and same like that. Now they again take a jump, friends. Friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chiliz in the last 1 day, so the price change is positive. 0.43% changes occur in the Chiliz in the last 1 day, and same like that. If we talk about the highest price of the Chiliz, so the highest price is 0.5287721 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chiliz. Same like that if we talk about the currently at this time price of the Chiliz live in a market, so at this time price is about 0.51407 USD dollar is the currently at this time live price of Chiliz. Here is a 0.51 and here is 0.52, so approximately a 0.1 USD dollar false changes occur in a Chiliz in the last 1 day, friends. So what's the next target of Chiliz? I hope that there is a next pump coming soon in the Chiliz. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. Kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends.